Today we're unboxing something pretty special. So recently a lot of skateboards released with a collaboration with Pokemon, and they're worth up to about £10,000 if you pack a gold rare Charizard one. So we'll open this up and see what we get. Quite excited about this one. Watch me absolutely rip into it with the scissors. Take it out. So the skateboard in here could be worth about £10,000. But which one do we get? So on this side it shows the variations that you can get. As you can see here, a number of different Pokemon, and then the super rare gold versions at the bottom. I'm hoping for either Mewtwo, obviously Charizard down the bottom, or any of the gold ones. Pikachu would be alright, but Mewtwo is my favourite Pokemon, so I'm hoping for that. So I guess we can just open these up. I think there's around 250 gold ones in the world. I think there's 50 of each board. So I guess we're hoping for that, and we'll see what we get. So I don't really want to open it up because it's pretty nice packaging. And these resell for about £240, £250 unopened, but then obviously go up or down depending on what you get inside. So I'm pretty excited to open this up and see what we get. Hoping for Mewtwo, but you never know. Well, I guess cut it open. They do come wrapped, as you can see here. So this is the paper on the inside. You can't see what it is, so a little bit nervous now because this was quite an expensive purchase, and it could either be worth more or less. So cut off the tape around the edges. I'll try and keep it quite neat in case I want to sell it afterwards, but we'll see. So that one done. This one done. This one done. Ruined that one. Cannot do it at all. Okay, here we go. So this is the moment of truth. I have a feeling it's going to be silver, but we'll open it up. So you can peel this off with me. Can we see anything? Alright, so it is silver. I'll put it face down. So it's silver. I can't see it. I've not looked at it. Which one do we get? Turn it round. Come on! The one I wanted. That is probably the best silver one I could have possibly asked for. I'm buzzing about that. Look at that. That is so cool. This is the one I wanted. That is amazing. I'm absolutely ecstatic about that. That's so good. That could have gone so badly, and it didn't. I'm really happy about that. I have another one on the way, so we are hoping for a gold eventually. But that is a great start, and let me know down below in the comments if you want me to carry on this series, because I'm quite happy to do that, because from the first one, couldn't have gone better. But yeah, let me know down below in the comments which one you're after, if you've seen any pick up a gold Charizard. I think I've seen one video of it recently, but other than that, oh god, I'm so happy. That's probably going to be displayed on my wall. Couldn't have gone better. Really happy about that. Please like and subscribe. Let me do more videos like this. But thanks for watching. Hope you have an amazing day.